Let's take a close look at our new cowhide splits so you can determine if they're the right choice for your next leather project. These are 3 to 4 ounce chrome tan single bins, which is the section of leather from underneath the shoulder. This leather comes in 12 vibrant colors: coral, camel, black, fennel, dark olive, warm gray, golden yellow, turquoise blue, red, dark plum, navy, and caramel. Each bend is approximately 10 square feet, which is large enough for most bag projects. This is one of our most affordable leathers, so you can experiment with new projects without breaking the budget. As mentioned, this is a 3 to 4 ounce leather, which is about 1.5 millimeters thick. It has a medium temper that will give your projects enough rigidity to maintain their shape without being too stiff. It has little to no stretch and is highly scratch and water resistant. This is due to the polyurethane coating that covers the leather. The coating also means that the color and finish are uniform throughout the hide. The coating replaces the natural top grain of the leather, so it won't have the natural variations and unique characteristics of full grain leather. The leather is dyed throughout, with the backside being the same color as the front. The backside has a smooth feel and tight grain, which means you could leave it unlined if you wanted to. On the front side, the leather has an embossed pebbled grain and satin finish. Like the color, the texture is also uniform throughout the whole piece. This leather would be perfect for projects like bags, home decor, accessories, and more. It's hard to beat at this price, so get yours today at sellright.com.
Wow, that's gorgeous.